Hi all, welcome. We want to demonstrate donning and doffing of all PPEs. I am Jessie and my colleagues Jannat from Ramarshna Care Hospital Raipur would like to help our healthcare friends to understand how to wear and remove PPE. As we all are aware that COVID-19 has been declared as pandemic viral infection. So while taking care of patient suffering from COVID-19, we need to wear complete PPE so that we are safe from infection. So let's begin. This PPE comes in a kit like this, which will contain cap, mask, goggle, shoe cover and gown. Just for extra sure, we have used extra items, that is 100 paper tape and extra pair of gloves. Before start, even wearing the PPE, we recommended that a proper handwash to be done by following all 6 steps minimum of 60 seconds using soap and water. As we see, my colleagues has already washed her hands using soap and water. We are about to start wearing of PPE. The first thing, she should wear a cap. Cap completely cover head and hair. Then N95 mask. Be careful, don't touch the inside surface of mask while wearing it. A mask can be worn while holding the outer strings to ensure your mask has covered your nose, mouth and chin completely. Tight for the clip on the nose. Do one inhale and exhale to ensure the seal. Third step is shoe cover. We have a long size of shoe cover. Wear it properly like this. There you see she is using a chair to wear a shoe cover. Please don't be afraid for asking a help. She wears shoe cover, then gown. Then she need to wear a disposable gown. Few precautions while wearing the disposable gown. A chair extra help if mirror is not available. One extra help should be there. Please take time to wear it properly. Don't be in a rush. It is for your protection. Now both the hands will go inside alternatively and tight. Tie it with a knot on back side. with the help of other person. Then Google. Wear the Google. If you are using specs, the Google should be wear over the specs. No part should be exposed. If mirror is available, look in the mirror and ensure all parts are controlled. Last, we have to wear gloves for extra protection. We have to use two pair of gloves. First pair you need not to have sterile gloves. It can be used unsterile. After wearing the first pair, put the left side inside the gown and other gloves should wear it over it, and it should cover the gown. We can seal it by paper tape for extra safety. Now she is ready to go to isolation room. After coming from isolation, now we'll be showing how to remove all PPEs or doping. First we'll remove the first pair of gloves. Remove and put it in red bin. Then we'll remove the gown. The gown, remove it from inside to outside of gown. Remove it inside and holding it. Don't touch outside of part of the gown. And properly discarded in yellow bin. Next is shoe cover. Take a chair and comfort your position. and discarded into the proper way. Next we will remove cap. Discarded into the proper way. Next we will remove goggles. Then we'll remove mask. And put into the yellow bin. Last we will remove the last pair of gloves. Then we'll perform hand washing with soap and water.